Okay guys, welcome back to my shop here. So right here I have my narrow crown stapler, and what I want to do is I have a piece of triangular plywood. Who knows what I was actually using this for in the past, but basically I'm going to turn it into a French cleat so that I can hang this up on the wall. So basically I'm trying to use all the scraps that I have in the shop. I have a bunch of tools that are here on my workbench that I want to clear up so that I can get to some other projects that I have in mind. So right here I have a collection of tools that I also want to make French cleat holders for, but right now they're all strewn out here, so I'm going to have to find another place in the shop where I can move these so that I can start making the tool holders. I'm not going to really do anything super sophisticated with these French cleat holders, but I just want to kind of, clear this up as quickly as possible, as I said, so I can move on to other projects. All right, so I got my bench dogs triangle here, and I'm just kind of trying to measure out where this is going to cut off. So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to make a line here, and then I'm going to come on the top, and I'm going to go here. All right. So let me move this out of the way, give myself a little bit more room to work with. And what I want to do is attach these lines. So from here to here, I want to go across and up. So let me see if I have a bigger triangle to make that line. So I'll just use this bench dog square here. Pop it up here on this portion, line it up, and finish that line. And then I'll come back around on this side here. Slide it up here like this. And finish out my line. Let's see. So they don't quite meet as a square where it is, but that's okay. I'm just going to cut this off, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to see if my actual Festool Sys 50 EBI saw will actually give me the capacity to cut this. So let's go ahead and move over there now. Okay, so we're over here at my CSC Sys 50 EBI, and grab this piece of plywood, and let's see if I can actually fit it on here. So this is as far out as this goes. So it looks like I'm going to be just short of being able to cut on this particular saw. So the other options I have, I can use my track saw on my MFT table, or I can use my Milwaukee table saw. So I think I'm going to use the Milwaukee table saw for now, just to kind of get these pieces cut off. So let's go ahead and set up for that. Okay, so since the rip capacity is not large enough on my Festool Sys 50 EBI, I'm going to use my Milwaukee M18 table saw to go ahead and cut this piece out so that I can use it to make a French cleat holder for this tool here, which is my narrow crown stapler. So let's go ahead and start that now. Make sure I got a battery, and I want to get on a dust mask. And since I'm wearing my glasses, I'm just going to wear my face shield. And I've got my Festool buds here that I'm going to use. Okay, so we're going to take this Milwaukee Fuel narrow crown stapler, and we're just going to make a simple French cleat holder. Doesn't have to be perfect. So basically, I think the way I want to support this is So I could put support up under this lip here, but I don't think I want to do that. I think I would rather go from inside here and here. And this portion would have to be kind of long in order for it to be able to hold securely. And then this back lip, so basically I can kind of put it on like this and then lay it down. And then maybe once I get both of those positioned, I could actually add some kind of a secondary support down here on this bottom part. So let me just kind of mark it out. So I want to go here and up here. So this is the bottom here, this is the bottom here. So if I get a piece of scrap wood, I can put this here. Not sure if this will be too long or if it'll actually add a little bit more of a support. Okay, so what I did here is I marked a line on this piece and I marked a line here, and then I'm going to use the center line on the Mafel to match these pieces up, hopefully. All right, let's plug that in. Okay, so what I did wrong is I pushed it too far back. So even though I centered it here, I did not center it on the base, which would have... All right, I'm gonna see if I can do this over again, which is probably going to mess it up. All right, so what I need to do is make a line across here. This. So I probably should have tested this first, and then I need to make a line kind of in the center here all the way down. I'm just gonna test this out. If I mess this piece of plywood up, that's okay. So basically I want to move this here like this. And then actually I need to move it further out on the line like this. And tilt back to where both of these are on the line. And it's on the line there. Looks good there. Back here it can use to come back a bit. All right, let's give that a shot. Another thing I want to do is make sure I do not bore all the way through into my table. All right, let's give it a shot. Okay, so that looks pretty good right there. Now, I cut off a piece here, but I don't know if I want to try to do this freehand. I mean, I guess I could try it. I can cut off another piece if this doesn't work. So I'm going to flip this over. Let's see if I can get this so you can kind of see it a bit. So I have my line lined up with the center there. I'm going to see where these bits come out. Alright, so if you see, it's coming out at the top, so that means, honestly, I would need to lift this piece up a bit. And based upon where it is, that's too far off. Let me just try this one more time, just like this. I'm gonna make that longer. Sweet. That is sweet. So now, all right. So I'm going to mark here.